Cloud SIM offers hassle-free internet access anytime, anywhere, with no need to plug and unplug SIM cards. After scanning the product, wait for the pop-up prompt, then click to activate the device to access the Cloud SIM interface. Scan QR code on in-vehicle interface or card back to download GlocalMe IoT app. Download and install the app and open it. Register and log into your account. Click Next on car screen. Screen shows activation QR code. Scan screen QR code with GlocalMe IoT app. Click link to match product. Use new user 90% off coupon in coupons section. Activate cloud card traffic after payment. Get 10 gigabytes of traffic after successful purchase, enabling you to enjoy fast and stable internet experiences. Cloud SIM has two built-in modes, Cloud SIM mode and Physical SIM mode. When you run out of traffic, you can buy it directly from the mobile app GlocalMe IoT. More competitive prices than other network operators, with monthly cellular data plans over 10% discount and yearly plans over 20% discount.